This is my sample file. I have some sheets here with same pattern in their name. All they start and ends with the same char. And let's go to my file called Sheets Finder. I'll select Hide Sheet here. This is the name of function from the script. Task ID is a number of the task. File ID is a copy of the file ID from here. Select it, this file ID, and copy it here. Then the main part is the pattern. For this task, the pattern means start of the string and $sign the end of the string. Next, slash is spatial char for escaping, so it escapes the next char more. Then asterisk dot and asterisk means any sequence of chars, and next escape and less. And let's go back to our template sheets and see we have more char, some other chars, any sequence of chars, and then less char. So this pattern repeats the name of all sheets from our template spreadsheet. And task number 2, I left file ID blank because this is the same file, Sheets Finder, and the pattern is almost the same, except it has the other chars in the end and in the beginning of the string. By the way, you may enter here any legal regular expression. You may learn more about regular expression. I'll leave the link below the video. And I also want to hide sheets. Then I go to Tools, Script Editor. Now my scripts are already open. So, launch the function Test Sheets Finder. Here is the list of functions, it's the only one, and I click Run. And that's it. Hit Ctrl Enter to see the result. 5 sheets were hidden in the first file and 1 sheet was hidden in the second one. And it took about 2 seconds. And we got an exception: sheet cannot be hidden because it's the only visible sheet. And let's go back to our Sheets Finder and see what happened. So this was the only sheet that was left in this file, so it couldn't be hidden. It is a rule of Google Spreadsheets, and it's okay. And let's go to our template sheets, and the only one sheet that was left visible is sheet 1 because it doesn't match this pattern. And let's see, all other sheets were hidden. And let's see again, let's unhide. Let's change this function to show sheet. Go back to our sheet finder, click Run, and go back to our templates. All sheets are now visible. Here we see the same, only one sheet was hidden because the second task was to hide sheets. So this file is Sheets Finder, and please make your own copy. You'll see the link below the video. And also you may add another functions. Here is my script. I have only 2 functions here, hide and show sheet. You may add other function and find sheets by pattern and take some action to all these sheets. Thank you.